It's great to introduce myself. I am Ruby. I am one of the participants of Mount Litra Z Senior Secondary School English course. This is our fifth activity. I am going to share about the memories of Andaman Nicobar Island. We have gone to Andaman and Nicobar Island. We have travelled by aeroplane. We were very happy in the trip. It was a 7-day trip. We have enjoyed the 7 days very much. The hotel where we stayed in Port Blair was G International. After taking a small rest, we have visited Tigar Jail, which depicts the history of Indian freedom struggle. Cellular Jail was colonial prison in Andaman. Today the complex serves as a national memorial monument. Just reading to the stories, it gave me goosebumps. Hats off to the freedom fighters who survived many days in the prison for India. The people in the prisons were tortured in various ways. In the evening, we have attended the famous light and sound show on how the struggles for freedom took place. The plan for second day in Havelock Island. In Havelock, we have visited Radhanagar beach. It is the best beach you can see in India. In Radhanagar beach, we have seen sunset. It was very nice. Next day we have gone to Rose Island. The island is controlled by the Indian Navy. We have seen spotted deer. The deer was so friendly that it was roaming around with the travelers freely. Next we moved to North Bay Island. It was the best place of scuba diving, sea work and snorkeling activities. As soon we entered the deep water, I saw the world of beauty, fishes and corals. The experience in underwater was too awesome and it can't be expressed by words. Next day we have gone to Baratam. It was a terrifying travel because we planned to go through the forest and see the tribes who lived in the forest. We entered the forest. It was a long drive. On the way we saw the tribes. Then we have gone to mangroves. Then in mangroves we walked 1.5 kilometers to reach the destination. After 1 hour we reached a beautiful place which is limestone cave. The place smelled lime flavor. The rocks were glittering. It grows daily. Then we came back to the hotel where we stayed. The trip we have gone was very enjoyable and awesome. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for being a good audience. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.
In spoken English class sponsored by Mount Litra Junior Secondary School. This is my fourth activity. This is news reading. Let me start. Hello, readings news today. Manufacturers in vaccines conditions. Manufacturers COVID vaccines developed by Hyderabad based Bharat Biotechnical Industries Private Limited. Interval between 2 doses. COVID vaccines 12 to 16 weeks. COVID vaccines 4 to 6 weeks. Price per dose for vaccine. Vaxlides vaccine cost 600 at private hospitals. Covaxin vaccine cost 1200 per at private hospitals. How it made? Vaccine they containing inactivated quad visited which can not infect of the person but still can affect the Immediately system prepare at the decision mechanism against within the active virus. Common symptoms in common symptoms in virus coaxin vaccine, pain, swimming the rabies, stretches can be seen in the injections, feeling fever, feeling tired, health issues, etc. Coaxin, axin, pain, swimming races, feeling praxis. Wear the mask. Wear the mask regularly. Use in inside and outside society. Hand wash regularly. Must hand wash. Be home. Be safe.
Hello, I am Nitya. I am one of the participants of the Mount Literacy School at Sivagangai. This is my fourth activity. Sir, I am Nitya.
Yes, ma'am. Sit down.
Sir, actually my mobile phone has lost yesterday.
Where?
I has gone to purchasing the things.
In which place you lost the mobile phone, ma'am?
I has lost the mobile phone in the mall.
When have you purchased the mobile phone, ma'am?
I have got my mobile phone before 2 years.
What has your mobile phone color, ma'am?
Pink color, sir.
What has your company? Mobile phone company?
Samsung company. My children has attempted online class in this mobile phone. So please search immediately.
Okay, ma'am. Give me a complaint letter.
Okay, sir.
I want a proof, ma'am.
I lost the mobile phone in the mall. I think there must be a CCTV camera. So please you search it.
Okay, I surely check it.
Sir, this is complaint letter.
Okay, ma'am.
After 2 days.
Hello, Nitya, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Come to the police station, please.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
This is your phone.
Yes, sir.
Please take it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome, ma'am.
I am one of the participants of this spoken English class conducted by Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School. This is my fourth activity. The topic name is present perfect tense.
Hi friends, how are you?
Yes, I am fine. What about you?
Have you ever seen Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have seen Taj Mahal at last week.
You shared your experience on Delhi trip.
Oh yes, I have shared my experience on Delhi trip very happily. Last week I have gone to Delhi where I have seen various places on Delhi.
Have you stayed at hotel or home?
I have stayed at a popular hotel.
Did various places at Delhi. Eagerly waiting for share your experience.
Delhi at night. I have felt very cool. Next day, I have visited to see Red Fort.
Visit Red Fort closely on distance. Have you seen another place?
Yes, I have seen on Taj Mahal.
Oh nice.
Yes, I have enjoyed every step of pillar.
See Yamuna river at Flint.
Oh, good. I have took a photo from near Yamuna River and Taj Mahal.
Park, then have you returned at hotel?
I have returned the hotel at midnight.
Why have you came too late?
I have gone to fire dance.
Fire dance. Have you explained about fire dance?
Yes, of course. I have explained about the fire dance. In the midnight at Delhi, they have made the fire around the. They have danced to around the fire.
Fantastic. Which food have you eaten?
I have eaten chapati and dal curry.
any special things of Delhi?
Yes, I have purchased some special kurtis and litchis, perfumes, etc. I have bought one special surprise for you. It's a surprise. Keep it up.
Thank you so much. It's too late, no?
Okay, bye, ma. Next time we have to go to decide to Delhi.
Fantastic idea.
Okay, ma. Bye.